see if we can't catch some fish. Oh, there we go. That is a beautiful Arctic grayling. All right, I got something to eat. Nice fish. Oh, there we go. Oh, just right there. Just fiddling with the camera. Now that seems like a good eating size one. Oh, two nice grayling right there. That's enough. Grayling have really thin little scales, kind of like a trout. So when you fry them in oil, the scales get crispy, kind of like potato chips. Got some of our bread dough. Grayling's just a real clean white meat. Not as good as the best part.